There's the stairs again. It is gonna have wrought iron newel posts. This is your master. It's actually larger than it looks because there's this alcove over here. Nice view back. It has the pitched ceilings. Going back to the master. It's gonna have a fairly nice shower. Looks like with maybe glass on the side. It's not the glass block window though. Jacuzzi tub. Over here is where your vanity is. If it is his or her, it's going to be a smaller bathroom vanity with a really large walk-in. And then here's your just really small closet style bathtub.